Hey everybody, Lindsey here. Just wanted to update you on everything that's happening at Sigma Design. Ooh, are you writing code? Tell me more.
Yeah, you're jealous, aren't you?
Of course I'm jealous. I don't get to do anything fun anymore.
I am. I'm doing a system model for a drone company.
Sweet.
Any drone company could use this.
That's cool.
It's a framework to describe, how many aircraft do you have to have? How many loading stations would you have to have? And this is actually my neighborhood.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I put it at the Walgreens, and I'm over here somewhere. But this is a half-mile radius, so just to look at flight times, energy consumption, charging, all of that. How many boxes does the loading station have to hold? How many aircraft do you have to have? I also have it set up based on fulfillment. So what is the order rate? So I took, for every single residence, I take a distribution to say, what is the order rate? And so it iterates through every single residence and says, oh, I have an order. And so each one of them has a randomized fulfillment time. Then there's a random time for the payload to get to the loading station. And then as soon as an aircraft is ready, it'll come, pick up the payload, and then take off. And so depending on what the demand is and the fulfillment and the overall system power, that will dictate what the ultimate throughput is. And you'll see, depending on how long you run this model, because it's based on Monte Carlo in the back end.
Sure.
So it will help predict what are the bottlenecks. And usually at the beginning, it's fine. Everything is topped up, it's all happy. You run this for 8 hours, suddenly you'll start to see that all the aircraft are sitting charging. And so you would have to boost the
number of aircraft, right, to meet the demand.
You could put a priority, high, medium, low, and that will dictate the architecture of the loading mechanism. Because if it's a simple FIFO, where you just put a payload in, it holds it in its own queue, happy days. Well, if you have to manage priority, that means you have to have an inventorying system and then go grab, okay, here's the hot job, grab that, bring it up. It's all Python based.
Knew it. You love your Python.
Yeah. It makes pretty things, so for the most part, I can just let it run and go do something else for a while, so it's not a big deal.
That's cool. You're having way more fun than I am.
I know.
Damn it. Thanks for rubbing it in. Leave it to Jamie.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
So it was really great sharing all this with you, but some of us have work to do, so.
I see how it is. All right, fine. Out of here. See ya.